Let's learn how you can record yourself and your screen at the same time on CapCut. It's really simple. If you go to record screen over here, usually takes a couple clicks, then this appears. You can adjust what microphone input you want and what video input you want. And you can move this around to anywhere. I usually go bottom right. Just wanted to say that it looks a bit funny, this image of me. I think it looks different on my input source, which is my camera. Anyways, you can adjust how much of the screen you want to record, and when you're ready, click start recording. There's a countdown, 3, 2, 1. You can do all sorts of things here. You can bring in Chrome, you can demonstrate things here, PowerPoint, whatever you want. When you're finished, just go stop here. And then usually I like to go edit more. And then here it will bring this up, and then you can see all this. And you can, move this around. You can do timestamps. You just have more freedom. You can cut out pauses, and then when you're ready, you just export this project as usual. Now, I usually don't use this. I use a software called Screen Studio, and back in the day, I used to use Loom. Thanks for watching. My name's Junius. For more CapCut tutorials, check out one of these playlists, and I'll see you in the next one.